So what blog post should you be creating for your e-commerce business in the month of April? Well, let's look at what happens in April. We tend to have new product launches. We're in Q2. We're getting ready for summer. We have Easter. We have other little fun theme days. So take a look at the calendar and see what's happening in your community, what's happening for your ideal customer, and then what's happening on those fun days on the days calendar, because there's probably something in there that you could talk about as well. So what you're going to want to do, any product priorities, anything new that you are launching, you want to focus on. Anything that you're trying to sell or you're promoting this month, you want to focus on. You want to write blog posts about that, highlight your products, highlight your services, and then show how they can solve the problems for your potential customer. Make sure you optimize every blog post so that you get more traffic. Grab my free SEO Quick Start guide